Hello everyone, myself Devashree Patra Karmakar, Assistant Professor of Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Mallabhumi Institute of Technology, Bishnupur. Here I am going to give a presentation on various types of antenna. At first, definition of antenna. An antenna is an electrical device which converts electric currents into radio waves and vice versa. It is usually used with a radio transmitter or radio receiver. In transmission, a radio transmitter applies an oscillating radio frequency electric current to the antenna terminals, and antenna radiates the energy from the current as electromagnetic waves or radio waves. Antenna can be used as transmitting antenna and receiving antenna. At first, dipole antenna. Dipole antenna is the simplest and most widely used class of antenna. A dipole antenna commonly consists of two identical conducting elements such as metal wires or rods. Yagi-Uda antenna or simply Yagi antenna is a directional antenna consists of a single driven element to a radio transmitter or radio receiver through transmission line and additional parasitic elements. Log periodic antenna. Log periodic antenna is a multi-element directional antenna designed to operate over a wide band of frequency. A parabolic antenna is an antenna that uses a parabolic reflector, a curved surface with a cross-sectional shape of a parabola to direct the radio waves. Slotted antenna consists of a metal surface, usually a flat plate with one or more holes or slots cut out. When the plate is driven by an applied radio frequency current, the slot radiates electromagnetic waves in a way similar to a dipole antenna. Horn antenna. Horn antenna is an antenna that consists of a flaring metal waveguide shaped like a horn to direct radio waves in a beam. Horns are widely used as antenna at ultra-high frequency and microwave frequency above 300 MHz. Helical antenna. Helical antenna is an antenna consists of one or more conducting wire wound or wrapped in the form of helix. A helical antenna made of one helical wire called monofilar. In telecommunication, printed antenna, also known as microstrip antenna, usually means of an antenna fabricated using photolithographic techniques on a printed circuit board. Quarter wave whip antenna. A whip antenna is an antenna consisting of a straight flexible wire or rod. The bottom end of whip is connected to the radio receiver or transmitter. Rubber ducky antenna. Rubber ducky antenna is an electrically short monopole antenna that functions somewhat like a base-loaded whip antenna. It consists of a stringy wire in the shape of narrow helix sealed in a rubber or plastic jacket to protect the antenna. Antenna applications. They are used in systems such as radio broadcasting, broadcast television, two-way radio, communication receivers, radar system, cell phones, and satellite communication systems. Thank you.